Hello, guys. Welcome to another blog of Mortgage Solutions. I hope, we really hope that you guys are doing great this week. And this week, we came across with a business requirement of updating a module that's related to quote module, you know. And what was the requirement that we wanted to update the stage in opportunity module as close one when the quote modules stage quote stage is close one itself. So, so if you can see it just it's not in the same module. We have to switch modules from one module to another module. So it's not supported by Zoho right now as of now. So we will be doing it with the help of Deluge code. Okay. So there's a short Deluge code for it, and it will be helpful for you guys as well if you go through, if you come across multiple business requirement and that's not a functionality within the Zoho CRM. So Deluge it is what helps you go beyond what functionalities can do right now. So for that, we will be quickly going to the functions in Developer Hub and create one function for ourselves. So we'll name it update quote. Okay. Or it was, in our case, it was opportunity. And just to be clear enough, opportunity and deal are the same name for a module. Display name, I'll just copy it and paste it up here. Category, it's automation. We'll go with automation itself. We are not trying to create a button or itself. If anybody just go over here and edit the quote stage up in here as closed one, it should be automatically reflected in the opportunity modules stage as closed one here. So I guess the requirement is pretty simple, and we are hopping directly to our deluge code. So we'll be fetching the quote record first. Zoho.crm. And now what action do you want? Want to get the record by ID of what? Of quotes module. And this should be a ID, right? Then we'll add an argument up in here. You can directly add from there also, but just so you guys know, quote ID, and it is always gonna be an int. So right now we have this up in here quote ID as an argument and paste it up here. So let's see if our quote record we're getting any value in it or not. Just paste the ID from here. As you can see, we are getting all the records up in here. And if you want to see it properly, you can always go to JSON Pretty and see the data that we are getting. So here in somewhere also you can see the stage. Okay. So this is working fine. We have got the quote record ID, and then we will get quote stage. So from the API name, let me show you guys JSON Pretty. Copy it up. Let's paste it. Okay. So we need quote stage. We need to check the quote stage. Okay. So we have quote stage and its API name is quote stage itself. It is right now negotiation. So we have to check it for closed one. Okay. So we'll first of all get the quote stage. Okay. For that, we will quote record dot get. What do we need? We need quote stage. The API name we just copied from JSON pretty. Okay, let's see if we are getting it right now or not. No, I'm just doing it for the sake that you guys know of what we are doing right now, how the steps are going one after another. See, negotiation it is. You can see in the JSON itself, it's negotiation. So let's move on to the next stage. So what we are gonna do? We also there should be a lookup field from quote module to the opportunity module that links them. So if I go into it, you can see this opportunity name. Okay, and I have opened uh, opportunity that's linked to this quote ID only. Okay, so we gonna do it on the basis of opportunity name right now. So if you can see there's a similarity in both of this, so this must be a lookup field in here. So we will be fetching on the basis of this opportunity name. So let's search for it in our code. There must be a deal name up in here also. It's generally the deal name. See sample test blue. You can also search it through the name that you got in the deal name. But so did I know that's a deal name? Like you can also go to API name section and get all the JSON data that all the API names, okay, of this module, particular module. So we will be fetching deal name dot name. Okay, we need name. We don't need ID right now, or you can also go with the ID. I'm doing it right now with the help of the name itself. So what's my deal name up in here? Okay, quote record. We have to get what? To get the deal name first. Sorry, it is mistakenly copied. I've got the deal name from here, JSON itself, deal name, you can see. And then I'm getting the name. So here you go. If you directly, go for just deal name, you won't get, you will get both of this. So we are just trying to fetch through the name right now. So I want to, search for this deal name in opportunity module if and if only when my quote stage is equal to closed one. Also, I don't want to do it. Okay, that makes sense. Let's get a variable called response and let's search for it in this module, opportunity module. So for that, we'll do Zoho dot CRM dot search record. There's inbuilt stuff. This inbuilt stuff that directly search records for you. Don't have to do it manually. Where do we have to search it? In the deals module. That's opportunity. Okay. And what do you want to search for? I want to search for when the deal name equals deal name is equal to the deal name. So we do it with the help of plus itself. This is the particular format. we are looking into right now. Let's close this one, and put up a semicolon up in here. I guess that is pretty much it. We are searching for the deal name in the deals module. When the deal name in the deals module is equal to the deal name we are searching for. So we are searching for deal name in this opportunity module. Okay. You can also, you know, check for it up in here. That what are we searching for right now? So is there matching one? Yes, there is a matching one. It's not showing right now. Let's go ahead with the process. So what do we need deal ID right now? I will tell you why we are needing a deal ID right now. We're searching the first one in the record and get its ID. For getting the ID, we'll make a map. Date data, that's a map. So I want the stage to be updated as closed one itself. Then I will update this in the deals module. You have to directly put this stuff in the deals module, this map in the deals module. So in the deals module, see, there's a number. This is the deal ID we are seeking for up in here. The key value pair is update data. Sorry, my bad. And it's done. Info update. Let's see if this works or not. So right now it's not showing anything because our deal name, our code stage is in negotiation stage. So what you're gonna do, we will put it up as close one and done. So when I will run this function right now, deluge code, this should update this stage appointment booked as close one itself. So let's do it. I already have the ID. Cannot be applied. Let's debug it right now. What we are getting right now. Value is empty and get function cannot be applied. Line 8. So it's not fetching the data right now. So the response, we are not getting any response for closed one, even if the deal is closed one. Let's see. We are in the deal stage and our deal name equals deal name. Let me just copy this data up in here and let's see if this works or not. Okay, I guess the format is pretty much good. We are good to go. Okay, let's go. Let's run this thing up. So we are getting the data right now. So what was the issue? Let's check for it. Our issue arose when we are searching. We are not getting any response right now. Let me copy this line. From this, I already had written one code. So it is working now. There must be a, okay. I mistakenly did a deal name under closed brackets as well. That's why it was not searching for it. And right now, if you go up in here and see, it has been updated to closed one. See, it's green right now. Let me check it again. What was the difference? It looks pretty much same to me right now. If you guys know anything, let me know in the comment section as well. See, it's working right now. There must be a semicolon or something we missed out. So it's working fine right now, and we have updated it. And if you want, you can also have a workflow for it. Go to the, I have already made a workflow for this update deal. So we will be creating it for record action, create or edit. And you can also set it, repeat this workflow whenever a code is edited. So I don't want it right now. When the code stage is closed one, see, you can go for all codes, but like, you know, it would be applied for create for all the uh, records in for all the fields in codes modules. But I don't want that right now. I want for certain thing this delete code should work. So this would be working when the code stage is closed one, or else it won't be working. So it would be automatically triggered. Right now you don't have to, go and execute the Deluge script by yourself. It should be, uh, automatically triggered. That's what makes it suitable for business requirement. And just go and map the first quote ID. You can do it by from here. Quote ID. I have mapped the argument. If you can see here, this is the argument. This is the function I made this workflow for. Just save it. It's already saved. Just go and click on enter. Let's edit it right now. If it is not closed one, let's see. I'm just trying to do it in this ID only. I don't want to hop onto another one right now. Save it. So it is now into appointment book. So when I will edit this one, you can directly edit up from here only. It is closed one. Then there should be a workflow triggered in the timeline. See, workflow has been triggered. So this should have been updated to closed one itself automatically. So wait for it. It's closed one. So that's it, guys. This was a quick tutorial for Deluge script. I hope you have learned well on this. And if you have any doubts regarding this, you can directly reach out to us on the comment section. And hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you.